Once upon a time, in a lush, green forest, lived a swift mantis named Max and a slow tortoise named Timmy. Max, known for his speed, was always boasting about his lightning-fast speed, while Timmy, the slowpoke, was often overlooked. One day, Max, full of pride, challenged Timmy to a race. "I dare you to race me, Timmy," he said. "I'll show everyone just how fast I am." Timmy, though hesitant, agreed, hoping to prove that slow and steady could win the race. The day of the race arrived, and the forest gathered to watch. Max, with a confident leap, took off running, while Timmy, with a slow but steady pace, started his journey. Max quickly distanced himself from Timmy, leaving the slow tortoise far behind. The crowd cheered for Max, believing the race was already won. But little did they know, Timmy had a trick up his shell. As Max approached the finish line, he noticed something strange. Timmy was nowhere in sight, and the finish line was missing. Max searched the track, but found no sign of Timmy. Meanwhile, Timmy made his way to the finish line, taking his time, one step at a time. He had secretly moved the finish line closer to himself, ensuring that he would still win the race. When Max arrived at the original finish line, he realized he had been tricked. Timmy, with a smirk on his face, crossed the new finish line, claiming victory. The crowd was stunned, and Max was embarrassed. From that day forward, Max learned the importance of humility and the power of patience. Timmy, on the other hand, taught everyone that sometimes, slow and steady truly does win the race. And so, the forest lived on, remembering the day of the Speedy Mantis and the Tortoise's race, a tale that reminded all creatures of the universal truth: speed may win the race, but humility and patience can teach a greater lesson.